DNA replication is described as semi-conservative because option A, both parental strands are degraded. B, each daughter molecule has one parental and one new strand. C, two identical parental strands remaining intact. D, only one daughter molecule is formed. Correct answer is option B. Each daughter molecule has one parental and one new strand. In E. coli, DNA replication begins at a specific sequence called option A ORIC, B tercite, C primase, D DNA-B. Correct option is option A ORIC. Question number 3. The enzyme responsible for removing RNA primer during prokaryote DNA replication is option A DNA polymerase 1, B DNA polymerase 2, C DNA polymerase 3, D primase. Correct option is option A DNA polymerase 1. Question 4. The Okazaki fragment are formed during replication of option A leading strand, option B lagging strand, C both strand, D none of the above. Correct answer is option B lagging strand. Which enzyme relieves supercoiling ahead of the replication fork? Option A primase, B helicase, C DNA gyrase, D ligase. Correct option is C DNA gyrase. The sliding clamp protein in E. coli is A DNA-B, B beta clamp, C SSB, D DNA-C. Correct option is option B beta clamp. Question 7. In eukaryotes, the enzyme analogous to DNA polymerase third of prokaryote is option A DNA polymerase alpha, B DNA polymerase delta, C DNA polymerase epsilon, D DNA polymerase gamma. Correct option is option B DNA polymerase delta. The DNA protein in prokaryote replication function by option A binding primers, B sealing nicks, C synthesizing Okazaki fragment, D initiating unwinding at ORIC. Correct option is option D initiating unwinding at ORIC. Telomerase activity is highest in A somatic cell, B mature RBC, C neurons, D germ cell. Correct option is D germ cell. Which enzyme join Okazaki fragment? Option A primase, B DNA polymerase third, C DNA ligase, D helicase. Correct option is option C DNA ligase. In E. coli, replication termination occur at A ORIC, B tercite, C TUS protein, D both C and D. Correct option is option D both B and C. Proofreading activity in DNA polymerase is due to A 5' to 3' exonuclease, B. 3 prime to 5 prime exonuclease. C. Helicase. D. Ligase. Correct option is B. 3 prime to 5 prime exonuclease. The end replication problem in eukaryote is solved by A. Telomerase. B. Ligase. C. Primase. D. Topoisomerase. Correct option is A. Telomerase. In prokaryote, the speed of replication fork movement is approximately A. 50 nucleotide per second. B. 500 to 1000 nucleotide per second. C. 10 nucleotide per second. And D. 2000 nucleotide per second. Correct option is option B. 500 to 1000 nucleotide per second. SSB protein during DNA replication. A. Synthesize primer. B. Prevent re-annealing of single strand. C. Cut supercoiling. D. Proofread DNA. Correct option is option B. Prevent re-annealing of single strand. In rolling circle replication, the mechanism is commonly found in A. Eukaryotic chromosome. B. Ribosomal RNA gene. C. Mitochondrial DNA. D. Plasmid and phage. Correct option is option D. Plasmid and phage. Which of the following is not a feature of eukaryote replication origin? Option A. Multiple ORI site per chromosome. B. Use of ORC protein. C. Bidirectional fork movement. D. Continuous synthesis on both strands. The correct option is option D. Continuous synthesis on both strands. The primary function of helicase is option A. Unwinding DNA helix. B. Synthesize primase. C. Ligate Okazaki fragment. D. Remove RNA primer. Correct option is option A. Unwind DNA helix. During replication, RNA primer are synthesized by option A. DNA polymerase 1. B. DNA polymerase 3rd. C. Primase. D. Ligase. Correct option is option C. Primase. Which factor ensure that only one round of replication occur per cell cycle in eukaryote? Option A. ORC complex. B. NCM helix loading. C. Cycling dependent kinase CDK. D. Sliding clamp. Correct option is option C. Cycling dependent kinase CDKs. In DNA replication experiment using 15N and 14N isotope, after two rounds of replication, what proportion of hybrid DNA is observed? A. 100%. B. 50%. C. 25%. D. 0%. Correct option is option B. 50%. The Kornberg enzyme refer to A. DNA polymerase 1. B. DNA polymerase 2nd. C. DNA polymerase 3rd. D. Primase. Correct option is option A. DNA polymerase 1. In eukaryotes, DNA replication occur in which phase? Option A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. M phase. Correct option is B. S phase. In the Belson seed experiment, after one generation in 14 and the DNA appear A. Two separate band, B. Single intermediate band, C. Two light band, D. Two heavy band. Correct option is option B. Single intermediate band. In eukaryote replication, the RNA-DNA hybrid primer is synthesized by option A. DNA polymerase alpha, B. DNA polymerase delta, C. DNA polymerase epsilon, D. Primase only. Correct option is option A. DNA polymerase alpha. In eukaryotes, the function of the tau subunit of DNA polymerase third is A. Clamp loader, B. Dimerization of core polymerase, C. Primer synthesis, D. Proofreading. Correct option is option B. Dimerization of core polymerase. The protein that load of beta clamp onto DNA during replication in E. coli is option A. DNA-C, B. Ligase, C. SSB, D. Gamma complex. Correct option is option D. Gamma complex. In eukaryotes, the replication origin is recognized by option A. ORC, origin recognition complex, B. MCM helicase, C. RPA protein, D. CDKase. Correct option is option A. ORC. The replication bubble in eukaryote progressed option A. Unidirectional, B. Bidirectional, C. Randomly, D. Only towards the 5' end. Correct option is option B. Bidirectional. DNA replication licensing in eukaryote ensure option A. Multiple round of replication per cell cycle, B. Exactly one round per replication cycle, C. Random origin activation, D. Continuous replication. Correct option is option B. Exactly one round per cycle. Which of the following antibiotic especially specify inhibit DNA gyrase in bacteria? Option A. Rifampicin, option B. Streptomycin, C. Nalixdine acid, D. Actinomycin D. Correct option is C. Nalixdine acid. In eukaryote, the anti-cancer drug cisplatin work by A. Inhibiting helicase, B. Forming DNA cross-linking, C. Blocking telomerase, D. Degrading primer. Correct option is B. Forming DNA cross-links. A mutation in the TUS protein of E. coli will affect A. Initiation, B. Elongation, C. Termination, D. Proofreading. Correct option is C. Termination. Which drug inhibit eukaryote topoisomerase first? Option A. Etoposide, B. Camptothecin, C. Novobiocin, D. Ciprofloxacin. Correct option is Option B, camptothecin. A defect in the WRN gene causes premature aging due to faulty A. helicase, B. telomerase, C. primase, D. DNA ligase. Correct option is option A. helicase. In Paul Chell's experiment, 3-H-thymidine is used to track A. RNA transcription, B. protein synthesis, C. DNA replication, D. RNA repair. Correct option is option C. DNA replication. Which of the following method best distinguish semi-conservative replication? Option A. Autoradiography, B. Messelson cell experiment, C. Sordon blotting, D. PCR. Correct option is option B. Messelson cell experiment. DNA replication is study in synchronized yeast cell by monitoring A. cyclin level, B. origin licensing factor, C. BRDU incorporation, D. all of the above. Correct option is option D. all of the above. The enzyme assay used to detect telomerase activity is called A. TRAP assay, B. EMSA, C. CHIP assay, D. FISH. Correct option is TRAP assay. The experimental approach to identify Okazaki fragment first use A. radioactive labeling, B. DNA ligase mutant, C. DNA denaturation, D. fluorescence dye. Correct option is option B. DNA ligase mutant. During replication, the leading strand grow A. 3' to 5', B. 5' to 3', C. both direction, D. randomly. Correct option is option B. 5' to 3'. Which DNA polymerase in eukaryotes function in mitochondria DNA replication? Option A. DNA polymerase delta, B. DNA polymerase epsilon, C. DNA polymerase gamma, D. DNA polymerase alpha. Correct option is option C. DNA polymerase gamma. The approximate number of origin of replication in the human genome is A. 1, B. approx 50, C. approx 10,000, D. approx 1 lakh. The correct option is option C. approx 10,000. In lagging strand synthesis, the RNA primer is removed by A. DNA polymerase delta, B. RNase H plus FEN1, C. DNA polymerase gamma, D. helicase. Correct option is option B. RNase H plus FEN1. Which of the following component is absent in prokaryote DNA replication but present in eukaryote? A. SSB protein, B. multiple origin, C. DNA ligase, D. topoisomerase. Correct option is multiple origin. Which checkpoint in the cell cycle ensure completion of DNA replication? A. G1S, B. spindle assembly checkpoint, C. G2M, D. restriction point. Correct option is option C. G2M. Which protein protect telomerase from degradation? Option A. SSB, B. DNAC, C. MCM complex, D. TRF1 and TRF2. Correct option is option D. TRF1 and TRF2. In E. coli, which polymerase mainly repair damaged DNA, not replication? A. DNA polymerase 1, B. DNA polymerase 2nd, C. DNA polymerase 3rd, D. Primase. Correct option is option B. DNA polymerase 2nd. The main structural difference between prokaryote and eukaryote replication origin is A. ORIC is AT rich, eukaryote origin are GC rich. ORIC need helicase but eukaryote does not. C. Eukaryote origin are smaller. D. ORIC has DNA box and eukaryote origin have ORC binding site. Correct option is option D. ORC has DNA box and eukaryote origin have ORC binding site. The enzyme responsible for dissolving intertwined daughter DNA molecule at the end of prokaryote replication is A. DNA ligase, B. Topoisomerase 4, C. DNA gyrase, D. Primase. Correct option is option B. Topoisomerase 4.